Welcome to my channel as at education tutorial. In this video, 5th standard Marathi, chapter number 17, Amchi Sahal, workbook solution. If you satisfy my answer, you can stop the video and complete your workbook. If any doubt, please write comment box. आप लोग को वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट ज़रूर करें. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.